Next load coming in. All right, dump it here. Move down, move. Watch the glass, keep going. Clear the area, watch the rafters. Got the next beam coming up.
Cut that plywood to size quickly.
One, two, three, lift. Hook it up. Pull it now, pull it. Watch the debris, keep moving. Watch the saw, get that rebar tied down. All clear on this side. Ready for the pour. All right, 6 more inches to the left. It's seated. Mark the brackets. Securing the brace now. That through faster. I'm cutting the next piece now. Got the fish tape ready, send it up. Check the compressor pressure.
It's holding steady, refilling the sand now.
Good on this side. Shim in the center, now drill it. We need more wrap on this side. Bring another roll up. The tape, bring it back now. Clear, dump the load. Tamp it down, let's move. Keep grinding that corner. Okay, more water on the deep end. Bring the vacuum over here now. Hold the beam steady. Locking it in now. Clear the area below. It up. Higher, higher. All right, lock it in. Ready for the next one. 48.5. Check the overlap. Next sheet up. Get that pallet up to the roof now. Clear the area below. Watch the wind on that lath.
Bring up the mud. More mud.
Did you get the generator shut down?
Yeah, grabbing the last of the tools now.
I'm locking the trailer. Let's go. Ready for the next bend on the S? Pass me the screwdriver quickly. We need to secure this before it cools. Need more mud on the left. All right, hit it with the screed now, keep it moving. Spray bottle on section 3. Color, need more color now.
Mixing it, send it up.
Buck it up. One, two, three. Lift. 1, 2, 3. Set. Watch the left side. Watch the left side. Hold it right there. Unsecuring the bracket now. Tightening the screws. Test.
Test.
Test. Crane coming in, watch your step.
Setting the palm now.
Got the furniture for room 5.
Powering up the string lights now.
Spotlights aligned. How's the pool color holding up?
Looks perfect. Magenta cycle engaged.
And that's the last sweep. Looks good.
Good.
Yeah, the Salton Oasis is a
to the Oasis. It turned out even better than we hoped. Cheers to that.
Welcome. Please, come right in. Look, a shooting star.
Yeah.
Makes you realize how peaceful it is out here now.
Hard to believe it was ever just a restoration project.
Welcome to the Salton Oasis Motel. Here is some fresh lemonade for you.
And a little souvenir to remember your stay. The colors will develop shortly.
This place is really something else.
Yeah, I could stay here all night.
Breaker engaged. The Salton Oasis sign is live and bright.